This is a raccoon. Now, it may look cute, but don't be fooled because this little critter is actually incredibly smart. In fact, raccoons are so smart that they can solve problems that require abstract thinking. So in today's video, we're going to take a look at some incredible facts about these furry little geniuses. Raccoons have opposable thumbs. When most people think of animals with opposable thumbs, they probably think of primates like monkeys or apes. But guess what? Raccoons are also part of the club. Their nimble paws allow them to grip objects with their fingers while using their thumbs for dexterity. They use these thumbs for a variety of tasks, such as manipulating objects, climbing trees, and getting into things they shouldn't. These dexterous digits help them find and extract food from hard-to-reach places. Because of their thumbs, they can open doors, turn on faucets, and even unscrew lids from jars. It's not uncommon to see a raccoon-run family enjoying a midnight snack of honey straight from the bear. They're excellent problem solvers. Raccoons are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. In fact, they're considered to be one of the smartest animals in the world. Studies have shown that raccoons are capable of solving problems that require abstract thinking, such as understanding that a tool can be used to obtain a desired object. For example, researchers at the University of Chicago placed a stick inside an enclosed pipe with a tasty treat at the end. The raccoon was initially unable to retrieve the prize, but after some time, it figured out that by using the stick, it could push the food out of the pipe and enjoy a snack. This kind of abstract thinking is usually only seen in animals that are higher up on the evolutionary ladder, like primates. However, studies have shown that raccoons are just as capable as chimpanzees when it comes to using tools to get what they want. And they can even learn to recognize themselves in the mirror, indicating a high level of self-awareness. They have great memories. Not only are raccoons smart, but they also have excellent memories. Researchers have found that raccoons are able to remember the location of over 1,000 different food sources and can return to those spots months later to retrieve the food. They also have great spatial memory, which allows them to navigate through mazes and find their way back to their den even if they've never been there before. This spatial awareness is likely due to their highly developed visual and olfactory systems, which means that they're able to remember what the area looks like and smells like, so they know how to get back to where they need to go. They're social creatures. Unlike many other mammals, raccoons are highly social animals who live in groups of up to 20 individuals. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including barks, growls, and screams. They also use visual cues such as facial expressions and body language to convey their emotions and intentions to other raccoons. Socialization is important for raccoons because it allows them to learn from each other and build relationships that will help them survive. Young raccoons, for example, learn essential skills from their mothers, such as how to find food and avoid predators. These skills are vital for their survival, and without the guidance of their mothers, they would likely perish. They have human-like hands. We've already mentioned that raccoons have opposable thumbs, but their hands are also remarkably similar to human hands. In fact, if you were to look at a raccoon's hand from a distance, you might mistake it for a human hand. They have 5 fingers that are roughly the same length as our own, and their hands are just as dexterous as ours. This is because the raccoon hand has a lot more bones than the typical animal paw. In fact, it has the same number of bones as a human hand. This allows for more flexibility and control when manipulating objects, making raccoons one of the very few animals that can use tools. In conclusion, raccoons are intelligent creatures that are capable of some pretty amazing things. From their opposable thumbs to their excellent problem-solving skills, these furry little guys are definitely worth respecting. Next time you see a raccoon, don't be fooled by its cute appearance. It's a highly evolved creature with a lot more going on upstairs than you might think. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.